Hello everyone. So today I bought MV7 Plus podcast microphone, and again, sorry about the roughness of the box. That's how I get my boxes in shipping. So sorry about that. But let's get into it. So first we have um, the front of the box, as we are looking at the box itself first. So at the right side we have this. And this is the right side. We have it says it has customizable LED touch panel. Wait, it has touch panel. Nice. Okay, I did not know that. Okay, so on the left side we have this. They have this marketing stuff, and then at the back we have all the details. Right. So features, we have got auto level mode, customizable LED panel, one touch mute function. Okay, that's nice. Real-time denoiser and digital popper stopper. Okay, and then we got adjustable reverb and real-time headphone monitoring. Okay, now these are all the features and everything, right? So this is the whole backside of the box, and then we got the bottom of the box. Okay, so this is the bottom of the box. Okay, now let's just open it, and just give me a minute. Okay, so just trying to peel it off. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let's just see what's inside it. And we got a welcome to better sound. Okay, all right, so here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to open it. Okay, actually I'm gonna have to flip it, and I'm gonna have to take the box from inside it. Okay, so here's the box, right? And we're gonna open it like this, right? It should be like this. Okay, I guess. Okay, so let me just, okay, all right, so here we are. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so we got this paper. Okay, and what is it? So it's for the app. Okay, so this is for the app, and then we got quick start guide. Quick start guide. It's a nice little booklet, and with instructions, right? Of course, and yeah, this is the app. They have, right? Okay, so instructions and everything, with the quick start, and then inside the box we have our mic. Oh, wow, it's heavy actually. Oh, it's heavy actually. Okay, this is the mic. This is nice. I mean, the weight of it, I like it. I like the weight of it. And at back we have output, and then we got type C port, and then we got the aux port for microphone. Okay, and then that's the mic. This is looking really high quality, right? This is all metal. This is really high quality, and I'm assuming the touch is here somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna have to check, but yeah, this is and this is the yoke, right? Right. Okay, so next we got the filter, pop filter. This is a pretty thick filter, you know, and it's really nice. Then we got the wait, let me just tear this open. And we got the Type C to Type C port. I don't know which version it is, but it's it's a okay quality, cable. But yeah, it's a good cable. Okay, then we got the thread. Yeah, we got the thread nut. Okay, and this is for the to fit it in on any boom boom arm. So it's for fitting it on any boom arm. Okay, so that's all we think. Oh, okay, sorry, my bad. So we got the product safety information and warranty in this, and then we got safety information, another booklet. This is, of course, this is in 2 languages. Arabic, which we don't speak in Pakistan, but yeah, okay. So most of our stuff in Pakistan that comes from UAE, I guess, the UAE version, the Middle East version, even though we don't speak Arabic, but yeah, but that's where we get the most of the stuff. Okay, so let's put this filter on. And the voice you're hearing right now, it's directly recorded with the Shure MV7 Plus, this mic. And as you can tell, the quality, recording quality of this mic is really good. I'm really happy with it. The build quality is amazing. This is my first mic, by the way, so I don't have actually anything to compare it to. Well, I have XM6, the microphone of my headphone. It's way better than my headphone, of course, because obviously it's dedicated mic. But yeah, I bought it actually from my other YouTube channel because I was recording the voice with my XM6 microphone. That is absolutely not good for video recording. And I forgot to mention one thing: the 3-pin input you're seeing at the back of the mic, that's called XLR. I did not know that, and I think it's when you have a amplifier. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.